Binary options, the truth about binary options revealed. In this video, I'm going to give you a little insight on what I've found out about binary options and why they're a bad idea for making money online. I've discovered that these binary brokers, registered or not, have complete control of your investment. They have the ability to actually fudge the buy-in and sell times of your purchases. They say your returns can be like up to 90%, and what they're not upfront about is the actual risk that you are taking with your money. You really need to read the fine print to get the gist of that, and I'll show you a little bit about that here in a second. Um, Even these registered brokers can adjust your purchases in their favor, and how they do this is they add this spread on the binary option platform, which allows them to adjust the sell and buy-in times of any particular stock, which means that if a stock you purchase, say it's a 60 second stock or 5 minute stock or whatever it is, 15-minute stock, well, this spread allows them that when the index actually closes, they can adjust it so that they can wait for a certain period, maybe a few seconds or more, and you can end up losing your money. So it works out into their favor, and and that's not only these unregistered brokers that can do this; it's these registered brokers. Even they've got all kinds of things written into their risk agreements, and it's all in the fine print that exonerates them from any kind of liability. Basically, they tell you that you have no rights when it comes to your money and your investment in these type of stocks. So you're really taking a huge risk with that. Another issue that's very shady is that before you even get involved with one of these brokers, um, a lot of them are offering, especially these even the registered ones, they offer these bonuses. So if you put a certain amount of money, they require a certain amount of money invested into an account, and they promise this bonus. But what they're not telling you is that you have to make investments up to a certain amount of trades over, say, a period of 90 days before you even qualify for the bonus. And it's like this: if you take $1,000, put it in an account, and you're not qualified for a bonus until you trade up to, say, $30,000 within that 90 days, before you'd even qualify for that. And in some cases, you can't even get your money until you've traded up to that amount. Now, if you really think about it, $30,000 on, say, $1,000 investment into an account, you're going to have to do a lot of trading. You're going to have to be doing like 5 or 6 trades a day, and you're going to have to be winning most of those trades in order to even make any money. So it's really, in the long run, you're going to end up losing your money. You know, my take is like this. This stuff is worse than gambling. It's like you're just giving your money away when you get involved with these binary option plans. Um, Anyway, I'm going to take a look. I'll show you a page here one of those agreements that I was talking about. Here's uh, binary tilt review. Now, top10binarybrokers.com. They've got a list of like the top 10 registered brokers, and these are supposed to be the best brokers out there for your money kind of thing and less risk. Their second one on their list is Top Option. Now, I'm looking at Top Option, and then I get into their um, risk disclosure agreement. If you look down here, I've got it highlighted in blue. And this is straight, they telling us you have no rights or obligations in respect of the underlying instruments, which is, I'm talking about the binary platform. That's what they're talking about. Or assets related to your binary options trading. And they tell you that straight out in this risk assessment. So, I mean, what's that tell you? Is it really a good investment? Is it really something that you'd want to chance your money on, your hard-earned money? You know, I would say no. It's just a bad idea. Uh, anyway, what I would like to maybe mention is I'm involved in a business. Like I've been looking for a lot of different ways of making money online. And I came across this one business after I tried dating sites and doing things like that. I ended up spending a lot of money on advertising, and I never really got anywhere with it. And then I came across this business, and it's it, it's promising. There's a support network involved with it. You could try it out for 7 days for $7 just to see if what it's all about, and you know, you can walk away from that if you're not interested in it, kind of thing. And from what I'm getting from it, it's you know, I'm really happy with it. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and it's a type of business where you can build a residual income. Like there's a small investment involved after you do the trial for 7 days, and if you stick it out, you pay $47 a month. But you get the software, you get involved in a community, the support community, people that are making money and successful. You see all this stuff, and it's all real because you can talk to these people, and they're there if you've got a problem. You ask them, they help you out, and people just come forward and they want you to succeed. And like I've never been involved in anything like that before, and I'm really finding that since I've got involved with it, that I'm getting a lot of success in it already, and I'm really kind of early in the business, but I have a lot of friends that are really interested in it, and there a few of them are getting involved, and it's like it's just starting to explode, and like it's on, you know, it's an only a win-win type situation. I'm not investing a ton of money, and as long as I follow the steps and the training that they offer, and I just do that, and you can do it on a part-time basis. The only way it can go is up, because you pick up your clients or whatever along the way that get involved in the business, and it just grows from there. And it's that type of thing, you know. And really, come on, folks, let's face it. There is no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme, and you know, I've looked for those, and there's just nothing like that out there, you know. So anything that you get involved with, you got to really put yourself into it and do something with it in order to get anywhere with it, and that's the reality, right? So anyway, I hope you got something from the video, and if you're interested, I'll leave the link. There's going to be a link below the video on the business that I'm involved with, and if it interests you, just click on the link, check it out, and yeah, I wish the best to everybody. Thank you.